This is the place where raw materials come together to create products the world wants. This is the place that's close to European and US markets, and close to perfect when it comes to lifestyle. This is the place where companies in advanced manufacturing profit, grow, and flourish. Welcome to Nova Scotia, Canada. Nova Scotia's manufacturing companies generate about $9.36 billion in annual revenues, with expertise in defense, shipbuilding, ocean tech, sustainable forestry, agri-food, energy storage, and seafood. Industrial manufacturing products like tires, plastics, and metal fabrication are leading exports in Nova Scotia. Over 3,000 scientists research additive manufacturing, materials engineering, life sciences, renewable energy, and ocean technology. Dalhousie University is even inspiring the next generation of manufacturers with the Advanced Manufacturing Hub, an academic incubator supporting world-leading researchers in the development of industrial processes for manufacturing advanced materials. Nova Scotia's strategic location between Europe and North America makes it an ideal location for companies with high levels of exports. Halifax is the closest North American container port to Europe, the Mediterranean, and the Suez Canal, and we're the closest major mainland airport to Europe at just over 5 hours to London, 2 hours to New York and Toronto, and 3 hours to Chicago. Nova Scotia's workforce is highly educated, with universities and community colleges welcoming students from more than 100 countries around the world. Our schools offer a full range of undergraduate and graduate programs in support of the advanced manufacturing sector. So a skilled manufacturing workforce is built into the province. Nova Scotia, Canada. This is the place where we create both things and the most incredible of experiences, where manufacturing companies succeed. In other words, this is the place where you'll find everything you need to grow your manufacturing business with confidence.